Our group's design solution is directed at improving your house's ability to withstand the extreme wind and weather conditions that are common in Vanuatu. We are focusing on improving local infrastructure in communities and villages around the area of East Santo. This is so you won't have to keep rebuilding your current houses that will inevitably fail due to extreme weather conditions. It also reduces the risk of potential fatalities and injuries during a natural disaster. These 2 points alone will prove the design to be financially viable over the long run.
So the reason why the geodesic dome was chosen was because it can withstand a high amount of force and rainfall. So how the community can be involved would be through the manual books that will be given to you, as well as the workshops that will be provided for you from EWB and the supervisors that will go step by step of how to build your dome, your new house. With the workshops, there'll be a leader, an engineer that will come in from a central hub that will help talk to you step by step of how to build the dome, and then from there other communities will help each other pass through the information and help build each other the new design.
This is the dome that will be used to combat the cyclones that should be taking place. This will be covered in thatching and layers of wood. There's also going to be hatches here. From this, the junctions that will be used to connect the domes, as in these parts here, there will be 2 parts. They'll be made from aluminium, and one will have 5 slots and the other will have 6 slots. This will combine the struts of the geodesic dome. This will be made from nanometer wood, so all of the parts can be locally sourced and be connected. The struts will be connected to the junctions with wooden picks or wooden dowels, so that is really what will be connecting the structure. The only thing which will need to be imported is the metal junctions.
Once the dome is built and the junctions are connected to the wooden struts, the dome is going to be placed on the ground, preferably on a flat piece of dirt. It's then going to be staked around the perimeter of the dome, staked into the ground, and then that'll be tied into the junctions to give a nice firm contact with the ground. Once it's in place, wood is going to be put over it, as well as thatching to make it waterproof as well as breathing. Okay, once the dome's completed, we're going to go ahead and remove these struts on the lower part of the dome, which will actually give you entrance to the actual dome, so you can get inside, obviously, which is pretty handy. We'll put a conventional door in there if you wanted to, on some hinges, or you could just have a curtain.
As the struts and roofing used in the dome are of the same materials as what your current houses are made of, the same methods of sourcing the wood and thatching may be used to gather resources for your dome. Just ensure that the struts are cut to the measurements outlined in your instruction manual. The aluminium junctions cannot be sourced locally and must be purchased at a cost of 50,000 Vanuatu. To order junctions for your dome, ask your Live and Learn contact to place an order. They'll keep you updated as to when your junctions are ready to be collected from Luganville. Our design gives the Prime Minister a way to achieve his wish of reducing dependency on foreign aid by providing a house design which is durable, uses local materials and techniques, and is affordable for families in East Santo.